Currently, there is a lot of pollution outside. The skin, the dirt gets into your skin. The hairs are not so good by the time you reach home. It's already so dull. So it is very important to do some evening routine. Yes, for skin cares, for hairs. So just stay tuned. See you. So this is, wow, serum, face serum. So after wash, take few drops, put it, dab it on the whole face, neck, and then just.
So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes. I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit. I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you. Choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes. I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit. I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Okay, so look at my face. It's really very soft and supple, right? And feeling is very nice, and somehow it's looking fresh, right? So it's nice. Well, and let's see about the hairs. So yesterday night, जब मैंने वो shorts लगाए थे बालों में, I will let it air dry because I don't use too much of blow drying and machines on my hairs. So obviously it will take some time, but the result is good. See, the softness of hairs also is very good, and of course I have used conditioner. So you can see my other video in which so you know what I do for my hair care. Have you seen this video? This is like for, I've got thin hair, so it's now, okay, so I'm gonna let it air dry. It's nice. So the product is good, and of course I recommend you also do it. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe.